214. Absolutely fine. Good job, guys. Rode that race yesterday. Owen Queen all the way from. So we've arrived in Cape Town for the ABSA CAPE EPIC after a very windy, bumpy flight. And true to Cape Town form, it is super windy. Driving a small rental. Just a quick shout out to Pace Car Hire. Thank you guys. Thanks for sorting out my car. Big thanks to my daughter Gabby for arranging and her uncle Andrew. Good work. Thank you. Loving my little car. It is just perfect for what I need for the week. And yeah, we're going to keep you updated with all of the day's events. Follow my journey through the water points and finish line and start lines of the ABSA CAPE EPIC. Here we are, guys. Here we are. Yeah, in my darkest times, you got me feeling. Morning guys, it is Prologue day of the ABSA CAPE EPIC and the start of our EPIC series which we did last year, so it's pretty cool to be doing again. Today I work at the spectator point alongside Paul Velstar and 700 plus teams starting their journey today towards that grand finale on Sunday. Let's see how it goes, come join me. And in my darkest time. So driving to our water points, it's at a place called the Pinot Stairs, and just look at that mountain and the greenery. Like there's obviously been a lot of rain here because that is looking incredible. It's like day one, we're not even close to starting yet, and the views are just breathtaking. The views are incredible, guys. It's just incredible. Just look at this. I mean, just incredible. Well done, guys. Awesome work. Fantastic. 5K downwards. Come on, come on, come on. Well done, guys. Good job, good job. Life is good, life is good, yeah. Life is good, life is good, yeah. Life is good, life is good, life is good. Okay, so the end of day one at the ABSA CAPE EPIC, it was a prologue today, and then it was a mammoth drive, like 90 kilometers to get to Tilbach. We're on Montpellier guest farm, and we're staying in cottages, and rustic, but it'll do. I must be honest, it's not too bad. Let me show you. It's the lounge. No TV. Fireplace indoors. There's a microwave, which is a good thing. There's a kettle, which is an even better thing. Right? Old farm table. And then the best of all, there are 2 bedrooms. So 1 bedroom here, very rustic bathroom. And then I've decided to claim this one here. And you know what? It is good enough. So to sum up day 1 of the ABSA CAPE EPIC, the Prologue, yeah, it was fun. I had a good time. We were in the sun a lot today, and riders did very well. Only 26 kilometers, but a lot of climbing, over 1,000 meters of elevation in 26 Ks, and that's day 1 done. Tomorrow, stage 1, 80 plus kilometers, ABSA CAPE EPIC Diaries. Stage 1, tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Hey, thank you for watching this YouTube video, and to all of you who've subscribed, thank you to you, and thank you for sharing the channel as well. If you haven't subscribed yet, click the bottom down below, click subscribe, and tell a friend while you're at it. Always striving to bring you some great content, and there's more to come.